Oh, nice. Oh, I see. So it sticks out here. Oh, and I can look in the basement too.
You can look down the hallway.
Two little beds. Basement.
You might be able to poke the camera in this window here. Take a look. That's live.
That's a nice, pretty tree.
Yeah, I think it's pretty decent.
Oh.
This window over here, you can get a good peek in with the camera.
Yeah.
Foundation looks good over here. It's not like my parents think there's a crack all the way around.
Yeah.
Poop over here.
Am I sitting in poop? Yeah, we'd probably want to bring our washer and dryer.
That looks like trash.
Yeah, not too bad.
Does it look like it's a gas hookup?
I have no idea. Looks old. Washer looks decent. A little fridge down there, a little TV or humidifier.
Oh yeah, that looks like trash. I mean, it's like the washer looks okay.
Yeah.
I don't think that dryer is gas. Oh wait, yeah. It is gas.
Oh, sweet.
Just grab all our stuff.